Welcome back, Internet Explorers. Today, we're diving into the hottest trend that's got everyone buzzing, Instagram's newest sensation, Threads. Get ready to have your virtual socks knocked off as we explore this exciting new feature. Buckle up and let's jump right into the world of Threads. Threads is an Instagram camera and messaging app designed to help you keep in touch with your close friends on Instagram. In this video, we'll dive into what the Instagram Threads app is and how to use it to communicate with your close friends list. You can use Threads to share videos, photos, stories, and messages with close friends. So if you do have an Instagram account, fantastic. You can use that account to sign up for Threads. When you first open the app, it's going to ask you to make a bio. You can select the Import Bio from Instagram option, and this is going to import the exact description or bio that you use in your current Instagram account that you have connected. You can also add the same link that you use from your Instagram account by hitting Import from Instagram. Additionally, you can do the same thing with your profile picture and essentially import everything over from Instagram. When you click on a thread and you click on the likes, you can view who's liked the thread. When you tap the three buttons in the top, you can view the options: mute, hide, block, or report. And this is for any thread that you tap on to like a thread. You can just press the heart button and it will like the thread. You can also like comments under the thread. If you want to reply, just hit the reply button and there you can type in a reply to that thread. You want to add a photo to your thread, you can hit the link button within your thread post and you just want to hit post and it will post a reply to that thread. Keep in mind everything works the exact same as Twitter along with these repost and quote threads. You can also share threads by selecting the share button, and you can do things like add it to your Instagram story, post it to your Instagram feed, post it to your Twitter account, as well as copy the link of the tweet and share it via pretty much any other social media option. Now if you want to refresh the homepage, you just got to scroll up at the top and it will refresh all of the threads that you're going to see on your timeline. Now, going over to the heart button in the bottom right, we can see all of the activity on our account. In all, it will show replies, mentions, and mentions from verified accounts. But if we go and select the replies, you'll see only replies. You select mentions, you'll see only mentions. You can also choose to follow accounts within your activity. You can also scroll through the search option to find the accounts you want, but it's much easier to just search in the search bar. Now let's go to the person icon, and this is going to be your own account. Now once our thread is finished and we added in our emoji, all you have to do is hit post, and this is going to post the thread to your live feed for anybody to view as long as your account is set to public. Now you can see we can click on our thread and we can actually choose who can reply to the thread. Now going to the top right, this is how you view the settings within your Threads account, and if you want to edit your profile, there isn't many options at the moment. By just adjusting bio link and changing your profile to private, you can't currently change your username. You can also view the mentions and change where the mentions you want to come from. You can also adjust the offensive words and phrases, and you can add custom words and phrases that you don't want to see on your Threads account. You can also view the blocked accounts on your Threads account, and that pretty much sums up these settings. Now, I think that's going to conclude our walkthrough of how to use Threads. I hope it was very easy to understand.